Hello, everybody. I hope everyone's well and having a fantastic day today. Today, I'm going to cook some sweet potatoes. So, I'm going to do like a jacket potato in a microwave about 9 minutes or so and see how we get on. Apparently, the sweet potato's got lots of vitamin A in it and it's supposed to help with healing your gums. Hence the reason I'm eating it still. Also, got some cottage cheese, some Yorkshire cottage cheese, fat free as well, natural. Um, there's probably some ingredients there somewhere. Yeah, if it wasn't so blurry. My fault, my bad. And with that, I've got some hummus. Now, hummus, I thought I've had it before, but I clearly haven't because I really like it. I think it'd be nice with a burger. So I'll probably be, when I'm a bit better, I'll be eating a burger and putting some hummus and probably some cottage cheese in it, to be fair, because the concoction of them both being together is actually really nice. It's, yeah, I've not eaten sweet potato before. I've eaten chips of sweet potato, but not actually a jacket potato. And I was quite surprised how tasty it was actually. So, as you can tell, I didn't turn the microphone on again, did I? Just having one of them days. But hopefully, I'll get it all together at some point. And yeah, so there I am, stabbing a potato. Going to stick it on a bit of kitchen roll and stick it in the microwave. Try not to stab myself in the process. So there you go. I put it in for 16 minutes and it only went in for 9 because I checked it along the way. So here it is. It's coming out. It's out. Just going to test it. Stab it with a knife. Straight through. Look at that. Couldn't believe it. Only been in there like 9 minutes. And yeah, it was done. So just a little slice down there. And open it up. Yep. Something different for me. So to that, I'm going to put some kerrygold on it. At some point. There we go. Bit of kerrygold on there. It was at this point I realised that I paused the video and didn't record me putting it on there. So there's the hummus and the cottage cheese. Lovely. Well, dinner is cooked. It's doesn't seem like a lot, but it's supposed to be high in vitamin A, which is supposed to help with healing. So hopefully it will heal my gums better. And as for the flavour, I've never eaten sweet potato before, so this will be something new for me. Got a bit of hummus, bit of cottage cheese. Yeah, tastes all right. So that's for dinner tonight. There's yeah, it's different. It's not meat, but it's different.